Good morning, fourth graders and parents. Today is Tuesday, October 6th. Here is what you need to do for today. So let's take a look at it. As always, you can go to classwork, as I did, to see the instructions. Morning meeting, respond to at least one person on yesterday's question. No one-word answers or okay, cool. So if you go to your classwork from yesterday, you'll see right here this question, what does it look like to follow directions? First time given, and it looks like some of you still need to work on that, so please get that done. So some of you might need to answer the question today and respond to others. Writing, finish writing your draft from your story map on that Google Doc, and you can turn it in here. Math, continue working on your playlist, so that Google Doc where it has those videos. I'm going to take a minute and open that. So a couple reminders with this playlist is that if you totally forget what you're supposed to do, or if your mom or dad or brother or sister, grandma, grandpa, whoever, and you would like to know how this works, if you click this link right here, this tells you about the playlist. It's a YouTube video that I made. You can post questions here, and then when you finish something, please make sure that you highlight it like I am. So I highlighted that blue with my mouse, and then I can go and just highlight it yellow. That shows I've done that. And then when you complete everything in a box, you write the date completed over there. The games are if you want more practice. You don't need to, but as I'm working with students on this too, I see they need a little more work, so I do direct them to do that. So if you are not totally getting things, I would recommend playing the games for some more practice. And just keep working your way down. If you get to this EduBlogs piece, just wait for me, and I will help you out with that. So again, if you're not sure what this playlist is, you forgot how to do it, you can watch this video here. Now let's go back. Oops, right here. Reading, complete the form, watch the video first. So there's a form right here with the video. You guys know the drill at this point. Science and social studies, due tomorrow, finish it on yesterday's work. So if you go right here in your classwork, there it is. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'm very excited to see you tomorrow. Please let me know if I can help you.